How to change template on Squarespace 7.1 2022. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to use Squarespace and how to add your very own template to Squarespace. It's going to be very simple, very easy, and this is going to be a very quick and fast and easy tutorial. I just want you to sit back, relax, and watch this video till the end and listen to all of my instructions carefully. And if you do that, I guarantee you that you're going to properly know how to use the new Squarespace 7.1 templates properly and integrate it with your websites. So without further ado, let's get right into it and not muck about. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your Squarespace account, and once you're logged in, you can see that in your dashboard, you're going to see your website. So let me show you what my website really looks like. So yeah, this is what my website optimally looks like. It's not a lot. It's just okay, I guess. Like, nothing special going on because like as you can see, it's okay. Like, it can be much better, but this is what my site in general right now looks like. Now let's say I want to make this better, and I want to make this better by not doing a lot of work. I want an already preset template. So for that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go on Squarespace. Here we go, squarespace.com/templates. Now, once you find this link, you're going to click on it. And once you click on the link, here is where you're going to come. It says Squarespace, make any template yours with ease. This is the main Squarespace template page. And here is where you're going to start doing your magic. So here you can see, change the colors, create a portfolio page, add e-commerce. You can make any template to do what you want. So obviously, it's as they say, you can do anything you want with all the great templates you have been provided. So you can check through all of them. They all have great designs and great templates. So let's say I want to use this one. You can also preview it before clicking on it. So let's go with this one. I'm going to click on Start with Barboza. I'm going to wait for it to load up. Now, once it loads up, it's going to bring you here, and you can also go through their intro videos. You can see their tutorials if you want to. That's all on you. That depends on solely upon you. But yeah, once you see your website, so this is basically the template. Now, obviously, this is added to basically your homepage or your dashboard website, because if I go here and I go to my dashboard, let's say I'm just gonna go to my dashboard really quick, and look at that. A new website has been made where this template of mine has been added. Now obviously you can edit this by clicking on the edit option on top. Now once you click on that, look at this. From here on out, you can start editing it. You can also go with their tutorial if you want to. I'm just gonna skip it because I don't really want it. Now, once you go and start editing over here, you can change the text. So exceptional art, you can change it to that. You can change all the photos that you see. You can change the layout, the design. You can edit different sections, add blocks of widgets and information. You can change the site style if you want to. That all depends on you. You can change font, colors, animations, whatever you'd like. It's all accomplishable by Squarespace and their templates. And once you do all that, all you need to do is you're going to click on done. You're going to click on save. And what is that going to do is it's going to automatically publish it. So now that we see that, I'm going to click on website over here once I've saved it. And I'm just going to wait for this to load up. And look at that. That saved it, and it's exceptional art instead of exceptional design now. So basically, that is how easy it is to work around with Squarespace 7.1 and add its templates. So yeah, that's all from me. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like. It helps me out a lot. And yeah, I'll see you all next time. I hope you all keep having a great day. Goodbye.